Life hack number 2. No cooking facilities, but we've got heaters in the way of a clothes iron. We've got the steam off, she's cranked up to the maximum, got some aluminium foil, and I've got my sandwich, ham and cheese. The cheese is weird, look at that gold coloured weird stuff. Anyway, so I've got the cheese, got the ham, got buttered bread. I'm just gonna wrap her up. So we don't lose any of the goodies. Oh, leave it like that. Use some surface area. And then, yeah, a surface we can pop on. Or you could always hold it like that. Won't do that. Yeah, surface. A bit of that. Oh, hold on. I was going to go to the ironing board. It'd be a bit, yeah. So, how much cord have I got? Enough. Just set that on there. You have to maybe move it around a little bit. A couple of minutes later, flip it. Do that as well. I'll come back when this is done, see how it looks, eh? Let's check this out. Up there, we've done both sides. Oh, feels about right. We're making the right hissing sounds too. Let's have a look. Oh, it needs longer. One side's done. This side needs more. Right. Just do that. Get you back on there. Oh, it's getting there. Have a toasted ham and cheese. Success.